2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm empty as Oklahoma, tired as these dusty fields. Nothing but rigs and windmills. They look just like I feel. Nothing as sad as a sunrise crossing the Texas line. Left you in a U-Haul in Kansas, full of what was yours and mine. And the only thing that we can agree, it's all over for you and me. So please stop talking, we both said enough. You keep the dog, I'll take the truck. You keep the dog, I'll take the truck. Took forever to get through Dallas. My mind stuck on rewind, trying to drive you out of me. That's gonna take some time, but I hope this truck holds together. It's a long way to Mexico. My brother has a house there. I always said I could go. And the only thing that we can agree, it's all over for you and me. So please stop talking, we both said enough. You keep the dog, I'll take the truck. You keep the dog, I'll take the truck. Found a beach and some tequila, gonna drink the you out of me. Ride some waves, pray for better.